everybody. I'm Jeff Kloppmeyer. We're here at the ESP Guitars booth, and we're at the NAMM 2019 show. And the story of ESP is pretty simple. We started in 1975 as a little guitar store based in Japan. We have the ESP Original and ESP Custom Shop guitars. Those are guitars that are hand-built at the ESP Custom Shop in Tokyo. So here at NAMM, our main goal is to give people a chance to do something that they can't necessarily do looking on websites and looking at social media, which is really get almost all the guitars that we make and have them have a chance to pick them up, get their hands on them, try them out and get a feel for them. And of course, meeting with our dealers and our international distributors. Some of these people we only get to see one time per year, which is here in January in Anaheim, California at the NAMM show. So we're happy to be here and we're just having a great show.